gbogbo àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá
is in jail
káàkiri
today
àgbáláyé
because
ní
it's
kíkí
different
tó
from
ní
Sunday
ọlá
Igboho.
jùlọ.
If Nnamdi
Ẹ
Kanu were to be
káàárọ̀,
Sunday
ẹ
Igboho, he will be
káàsán,
campaigning
ẹ
for Tinubu in
káalẹ́
the southeast
níbikíbi
now
tí
because
ẹ
it's
bá
the
ti ń wò
same
wá.
terms
Ó kọ́ tèmi yí
that
padà
he gave to
Ìgbìyẹmí
Oselu
láìtàn
Igboho that he
tó
accepted
gbé
that
mímọ̀ sí
Nnamdi
Ìgbìyẹmí
Kanu has rejected
TV
over the
show
last 10 years.
ló ń kí
So
gbogbo wa
please
ní
don't insult.
dídásìkò tá a
I
wà
don't know
yìí.
what he will do
Mo
tomorrow.
wá bẹ̀ yín ni
But
mo
the
wá
Nnamdi
rọ̀ yín
Kanu
ni
that
gbogbo
I
ẹ̀ tẹ́
went
bá ń
to,
wo fún
Nnamdi
àti
Kanu
lọ́wọ́ báyìí. Ẹ bá
is
mi
in
pín
jail
fídíò
today
náà
because it's
kọ́ lọ
different from
dáadáa.
Sunday Igboho. If Nnamdi Kanu were to be Sunday Igboho, he will be
Mr.
campaigning for
Ọmọyele
Tinubu in the southeast
Sowore,
now because it's the same
please
terms
don't comply.
that they gave to Sunday Igboho that he
Chief
accepted
Sunday
that Nnamdi Kanu has
Adeniyi
rejected
Adeyemo
over the last
and
10
Mazi
years.
Nnamdi Kanu.
So please don't insult.
They are
I
not
don't know what he
same.
will do tomorrow, but the Nnamdi Kanu that I went to campaign for.
Our Chief Sunday Igboho, sir, we love him so much. It's not Amala politics. He's fighting for our cause. He's fighting for Yoruba race. It's not Amala politics. Please stop talk about him again. We don't want you to talk about him again. Please step aside. Step aside. Because if there is a fine person wey betray people, you are one of them. Mr. Ọmọyele Sowore, we love you, but the way you are behaving like this now, we don't like it. Please, because Chief Sunday Igboho sha is not like you think. It's not like you think, because you already said in your statement, say you don't know him as much. Yes, you don't know him. You can never know him. Please stop nonsense about him. Mr. Ọmọyele Sowore, ẹ stop láti máa sọ ìsọkúsọ nípa Chief Sunday Igboho ṣá. Sunday Igboho ṣá kì í ṣe Alamala politics o. Ń jà fún ẹ̀tọ́ ìran ẹ̀ ni. Ẹgbẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe pé ayé lọ́mọ Yorùbá tí wọ́n bá sọ pé ta ló pìtẹ́ẹ̀dì ìran ẹ̀ jù, ẹ̀yin nìna ẹ wà lára àwọn tó pìtẹ́ ìran ẹ̀. Torí tó bá jẹ́ lóòótọ́ true son of Yorùbá land ni. Ẹ̀yin náà ẹ̀ ní mọ̀ jà fún wa Nàìjíríà. Nígbà tí Nnamdi Kanu ti ń jà fún Biafra, tí Sunday Igboho ń jà fún Yorùbá nation, ṣebí wà Nàìjíríà rẹ̀ náà ń jà fún. Mr. Ọmọyele Sowore, ṣebí wà Nàìjíríà òun lẹ́yìn náà ń jà fún, àbí ṣe wà Nàìjíríà fún ni. Ẹ mọ̀ kọ́ńtẹ́ẹ̀sì, ẹ mọ̀ wọlé mọ̀ ni wọn mọ̀ dìbò fún mọ̀ ni. Gbogbo yẹn àwọn méjèèjì wọ́n ń jà láti jẹ́ kí ìran wọn kó bọ́ lóko ẹrú Nàìjíríà ni. Nnamdi Kanu ń pariwo Biafra, Sunday Igboho náà ń pariwo Yorùbá nation. Kàkà kẹ́ ẹ jọ̀yàn ọmọ ìyá yín láti bá a pariwo Yorùbá nation yẹn, wọ́n á Nàìjíríà lẹ́ ń pariwo. Kí ló wá dé? Gbogbo nǹkan tó ju Ìgbòho rí ló gbé ń pariwo fún nípa Yorùbá nation lọ́wọ́ Muhammadu Buhari. Ṣé ẹ sọ pé ẹ fojú rí ni ẹ rí ni? Ẹ rí ìnà tó gbé ń pariwo fún Yorùbá nation náà ni wọ́n fi lọ ká mọ́lé, wọ́n fi pààyàn méjì sínú ilé ẹ̀, wọ́n pa àbúrò mọ́mí wọn, wọ́n pa ọ̀rẹ́ tímọ́tímọ́ Saheed Adogan. Ṣé ẹ sọ pé ẹ gbogbo yẹn ni? Nígbà tí wọ́n kó àwọn èèyàn méjìlá lọ Àbújá, arín l'Àbújá láti lọ fẹ̀hónú hàn sí àwọn èèyàn méjìlá tí wọ́n kó, arín. Àmọ́ kí wá ṣe nǹkan tó yẹ ká fi san fún Igboho Òòṣà òun lẹ́bí ń san yìí. Torí nígbà tí Igboho Òòṣà wà ní SI, ààrí tẹ́ protest nípa ẹ̀ o. Mr. Ọmọyele Sowore, ààrí kẹ́ protest nípa ẹ̀ pé kíjọba Nàìjíríà kó tú òkun lọ́rùn ẹ̀, ààrí o. Àmọ́ ààrí gbé ẹ lọ protest fún Nnamdi Kanu. Ṣé pé ẹ̀yin gangan ni betrayer, ẹ̀yin gangan ni ọ̀dàlẹ̀. Ẹ̀ ń protest fún Nnamdi Kanu láì jẹ́ kí ìjọba Nàìjíríà ò fi sílẹ̀ àìmọye protest ẹ̀ ti ṣe nípa ẹ̀ àìmọye ìfẹ̀hónúhàn tẹ́ ti ṣe nípa Nnamdi Kanu láì jẹ́ kí ìjọba Nàìjíríà kó fi sílẹ̀. Ìjẹ́ a rí ìfẹ̀hónúhàn ọkà méjì tẹ́ ẹ ṣe fún tẹ́ ẹ ṣe fún Mọ́jísọ́lá Àdìsá àmọ́ rí àárí náà kí ló wá dé nìjí náà wá ń sọ̀rọ̀ ẹni tó wá sọ̀rọ̀ fún ẹni tó ṣe lóore ó ń dúpẹ́ fún ẹni tó ṣe lóore ẹni tó tú sílẹ̀ nínú ìpèkùn tọ́jọ́ kò nú ìlú tó wà tó tó padà sí wá sílé ni wọ́n á dúpẹ́ lóore wọ́n á yìn rẹ́ ọmọ Yorùbá torí pé wà Nàìjíríà tẹ́yìn bìlọ́ọ̀sì nílẹ̀ sí wà ẹ̀ wá kọ̀ǹdẹ̀mù ẹ̀ wá ń sọ̀rọ̀ against ẹ̀ wá ń sọ kò bá ń gbé ọ̀ sí Mr. Ọmọyele Sowore ẹ wà fẹ́ careful lórí ibi tẹ́ ń lọ yẹn o ẹ wà fẹ́ careful lórí ibi tẹ́ ń lọ yẹn. Igboho Òòṣà kò ṣeé rí fín bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kò ṣeé sọ̀rọ̀ ṣàkàṣàkà sí. He's our leader. We like him like that. He's our leader. We like him like that. No matter anything tẹ́ ẹ bá sọ nípa ẹ̀. That is our leader. Ẹni ń pawọ́ ẹ̀ ní ìsìn tí ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ̀ ní ìsìn ọmọ Yorùbá ni wọ́n nà á. Wọ́n èkì sọmọ Fúlàní ìwé sọmọ Hausa bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ìwé sọmọ Yíbò. Ẹ̀yin náà tẹ́ bá jẹ́ pé lóòótọ́ ọmọ ọkọ Yorùbá ni yín ẹ bira yín léèrè. Ta ni wọ́n gbé ọkọ fún tí ò ní wó sọ́dọ̀ ààrẹ? Ta ni wọ́n gbé ọkọ fún tí ò ní ṣe kíni tí ò ní wó sọ́dọ̀ ààrẹ? Nígbà tí Muhammadu Buhari ń ṣe ìjọba ṣé bí àwọn ẹ̀yẹ ló ń ṣèjọba fún ìgbólẹ̀wà ńgbà náà? Ṣé bí ayé Buhari náà ni ẹ̀yin náà mọ̀ nǹkan tó ju tẹ̀yin náà rí láyé Buhari? Mr. Ọmọyele Sowore láyé Buhari sẹ́yìn náà ṣé ẹ̀ mọ̀ nǹkan tó ju tẹ̀yin náà rí? 6 months lẹ́mọ̀ lò ní prison DSS prison. Ṣé nǹkan tó yín nínú ìjọba Buhari ṣé kò tó ọkọ̀ yín lọ́gbọ́n ni? Ó yẹ kó kọ́ yín lọ́gbọ́n náà Mr. Ọmọyele Sowore. Kì í ṣe lọ́yẹ̀kẹ́ mọ kọ̀ndẹ́ẹ̀mù gbogbo ìgbésẹ̀ tí olóyè Mọ́jísọ́lá ń gbé ní ìsìnkè sí ẹ̀yìn lọ́yẹ̀kẹ́ mọ kọ̀ndẹ́ẹ̀mù ẹ̀. Kí ni ọ̀rọ̀ tí wọ́n sọ tó jẹnu wọn lọ? Ọ̀rọ̀ tí wọ́n sọ àwọn ò rí kó jẹnu wọn lọ torí wọn ò threat anybody. Àwọn kan sọ̀rọ̀ ẹgbẹ́ ọmọ Yorùbá ni ẹgbẹ́ ọmọ Yorùbá tó wà lórí ipò ni bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ó ní sọ̀rọ̀ àti pé ọmọ Yorùbá tó wà lórí ipò oore tó ṣe fún wọn òun ni àwọn wọ́n ń fi ẹ̀mí ìmoore hàn sí ni. Kì í ṣe pé wọ́n ń threat anybody wọn ò threat anybody. Ẹ má miscode wọn ẹ sì má mislead àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà ègèsì Igboho Òòṣà. Àwọn ọ̀fẹ́ Mr. Ọmọyele Sowore what you are doing is not good for us. What you are preach is not good for us. Please mind your word. We don't want to talk sakasaka against our leader again. Please, Igboho Òòṣà is our leader. We like it like that. Anything he say, we like it like that. Please stop talk nonsense about it again. We don't want it to fair. Mr. Ọmọyele Sowore. Mr. Ọmọyele Sowore. Fair. Ẹ stop ẹ. Gbogbo ẹni tẹ́ ń wò mí tẹ́ ń gbọ́ mi ẹ bá mi pín fídíò ìkọlọ dáadáa. kọ́lọ̀ kan wọn láà. Mo lérò pé wàhálà ti gbọ́ nǹkan tí Ọmọyele Sowore sọ tá a fi padà wá sọ̀rọ̀ tá à ń sọ síta fún wọn láì jẹ́ kí wọ́n mọ̀ pé Igboho Òòṣà ó dá dúró ni. Wọ́n mọ̀ comply Igboho Òòṣà pẹ̀lú Nnamdi Kanu ó yàtọ̀. Igboho Òòṣà ti gbowó lọ́wọ́ anybody. Igboho Òòṣà kò gbowó lọ́wọ́ anybody. Òun kàn ń dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹni tó ṣe lóore ni. President Bola Ahmed Olódòdẹ ọmọ Tinubu àwọn ni wọ́n tú sílẹ̀ pé kó padà wálé. Òun ló fà tí wọ́n fi ń dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn tó fi ń sọ gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tí wọ́n ń sọ. Kì í ṣe pé wọ́n ń threaten anybody. Wọn ò threaten anybody. Ẹlẹ́bùn wá sí mọ̀ pé ìwé èèyàn tí Igboho Òòṣà jẹ́ nìyẹn. Kò yẹ kí ọ̀rọ̀ wọn mọ̀jọ wá lójú náà. Yes, ẹni tó bá ṣe wọ́n lóore àwọn máa ń dúró tán pẹ̀lú ìtàn ni. That is ìwà ìwé èèyàn tí wọ́n jẹ́ nìyẹn. Kí ló wá dé? Mr. Ọmọyele Sowore, please àtò wọ́n nu yín because ara ẹni tá a nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí náà lẹ wà tó yà mọ̀ pé fáìlì tẹ́ ń fáìlì fún àwọn mẹ̀kúnnù tí ò níyà ni. Àmọ́ wá Nàìjíríà náà ń jà fún wá Nàìjíríà lẹ́ ń jà fún. Nàìjíríà tí ò ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn tí gbogbo á sọ pé kò ṣiṣẹ́ pé kí Nàìjíríà ò pín ẹ̀yìn kì í sì pé kí Nàìjíríà kó sì wà nú wá Nàìjíríà náà ni. Àgàn tí ẹ fi yàtọ̀ sí àwọn nìyẹn. Ṣé ẹ ti gbọ́? Please stop saying nonsense about our leader again. We don't want it. That is my solution. Gbogbo ẹni tẹ́ ń wò mí tẹ́ ń gbọ́ mi tí English language mi tí ò bá jọra wọn ẹ bá ń gbà bẹ́ẹ̀ tí ọmọ Yorùbá ni mí. Ṣé ẹ ti gbọ́? Ẹ ṣé gan ni a ní jù báyìí lọ. God bless you all. Mo fẹ́ kí a tún wá gbọ́ fídíò tí Ọmọyele sọ tí a fi ń ṣe ètò tá à ń ṣe. Ṣé ẹ ti gbọ́? Ẹ bá a gbọ́ nǹkan tó sọ.
Nnamdi Kanu is in jail today because he's different from Sunday Igboho. Yes. If Nnamdi Kanu were to be Sunday Igboho, he would be campaigning for Tinubu in the southeast now. Yes. Because it's the same terms that they gave to Sunday Igboho that he accepted that Nnamdi Kanu has rejected over the last 10 years. So please don't insult it. I don't know what he will do tomorrow, but the Nnamdi Kanu that I went to campaign for in Aba last week is not somebody, it will be, I don't even know what to call it, if it's a heresy to compare the two of them. As per Sunday Igboho, who I don't know too well, but I've always stated that their own brand of politics is what they call Alamala politics in Oyo State. It is politics of chop I chop. It is what they used to call during in the Southeast or rub bumbo. Rub my back, I rub your back. So, but what Sunday Igboho is going to quickly realize is that it's going to be in the hall of infamy. Like the Nzeribes of this world, who once said that if Babangida did not become president, he would kill himself. Yes. Right? Both him and Babangida have become invalid. You know, it's like Daniel Kanu, who said if Abacha did not become president, he would kill himself. Abacha has died. His own political career died forever. It's like Baba Adedibu in Ibadan, who says that Obasanjo, if he doesn't do third time, he will kill himself. He has also died. So these are ideas that will not last. And I have no doubt that Sunday Igboho has just automatically, if he was ever relevant, just retired himself into the infamy of the people I mentioned. And his own might be worse, because the whole community might be cooking for him very soon. I will go to anywhere in Nigeria to campaign, and I want to see him come and stop me. And I'm sure he will never try. So some of it is also psychological. True. They are just using them to scare you so that you won't stand up. You know, because they know if Tinubu is truly supported by 33 governors, why is he afraid of? Why is he afraid of rallies? Yeah, that tells you that it is the governors that are decamping, the people are not decamping. Yes. He provided remains, bones of people they claim were these engineers, and when they did the DNA test, they found out that they were not the people who died. So what I'm glad happened with this particular man called Umahi is that his admittance that he's the most powerful person or powerful minister under Tinubu allowed his other victims to come out. And that is why we always warn people. You can commit crimes and get away with it at some point, yes. But you will never get away at all times.
Yes.
Now his crimes are catching up with him. Apart from the 5 Netherlands engineers that are missing under his watch, there's also a family that has been in jail since 2025 that he ordered to be sent to prison in Igboho. Don't forget that this same Umahi constructed one of the most expensive airports where even a drone doesn't land today in Ebonyi. So his crimes are catching up with him and he must answer for them. We are not asking that he should be fired alone. Umahi must be arrested and investigated, tried, and appropriately dealt with. So I'm sure more information will come out. You see, you can't just say that people disappeared because there's communal clash. Ebonyi is not the only place where there are communal clashes in Nigeria, where people disappear. We still find out what happened to them. So it has been established now that he has a hand in it, and there is prima facie case that he has information about their disappearance.
Will you be calling for a stepping aside from the office as
For us to have independent, proper, and transparent investigation, he has to step aside so that he will not interfere with the investigation in a serious country. If he fails, he will step aside with the people who are protecting him when the time comes. All of them will be forced to step aside. Nigerians are not joking anymore. As you guys are aware, I spent last week in Aba,
Yes.
in Abia State, and I've never seen how determined people are, and you can say whatever you want to say.
Very well.
It wasn't an IPOB event, there was not even IPOB flag.
Nothing.
It was just the Nigerian people asking for a revolution
Yes.
in Aba, in Ariara Market,
Yes.
and in front of soldiers. Soldiers in their large numbers came, but they resisted them, and we had a great outing there. That's telling you that they're sending a message to the. They always tell you that some parts of the country, based on ethnicity, don't want Nigeria to be better, or because of religion, they don't want the Nigeria that we call for. We are getting to find out, not for the first time, that there's unity of the oppressed.
Yes.
And we'll take it through to flush these guys out of our system. The killers, the corrupt people, and the dangerous politicians who have held Nigeria's future, past, present, and future to ransom. Yes.
Sir, how will you describe the action of the Epstein minister of building a luxurious mansion for Nigerian?
I didn't know that there were mansions until I saw the videos yesterday. He called them duplexes so that he can fool people. But this is what I will say to you. Nigerians should get to a point, and listen to this, that if you are brought before a judge that collected house from Wike, just tell the judge to recuse himself.
Very well. Simple.
There's no judge who is going to take that mansion who can ever do justice in Nigeria.
Yes. True.
It's not possible. No judge. And this is not the first time judges are challenged when they are ethically compromised.
Exactly.
Gani Fawemi challenged Supreme Court justices who collected Mercedes-Benz from Babangida
Yes.
during Abiola's time. And they couldn't sit. And those Mercedes-Benz have now become extinct. The judges have died.
Yes.
But Gani's name and his position at that time remains forever. Any judge, even if this is a judge that's handling my case, if I hear that is one of the judges that got the house, I'll tell him to recuse himself. There's no way I can get justice from a judge who is living in that mansion. In fact, the moment you get that house, you will not be living in Nigeria anymore.
Yes.
You will not think Nigeria, you won't behave Nigeria, you won't see Nigeria. Those are mansions that are meant for corruption. And those places should be reallocated immediately to doctors.
Yes.
Because doctors will save more lives. And I'm sure some of the doctors are willing to even share the apartment.
True.
So one of them can take like 10 doctors. Especially all these resident doctors, young, vibrant, and savvy. They are willing to just find a mattress to sleep. Why is Wike not building houses for teachers?
Yes.
Why are they not building houses for even all these policemen that are killing people on their behalf? And I heard that after giving houses to judges, the registrars and the court workers are complaining I came and gave them land too.
Land. Yes.
So that he can corrupt them. Because those ones are saying we are the ones who help the judges carry out corruption. So also settle us. This is what I heard happened to some of the staff here. So
There have been killings of civilians and soldiers in the last 2 weeks, and particularly in Katsina Plateau. So, what's your reaction to this?
it's not only in Katsina and Plateau. The most amount of killings has been happening in Borno State, where battalions of soldiers are being wiped out. As we speak, Maiduguri is within the sight of Boko Haram. But I have said it here before, that it's just a matter of time. If we continue with these incompetent leaders and army generals and the defense minister, the guy who wanted to construct fence, yes, it's a matter of time before the whole country is overrun. Even the Abuja where you are surrounded. But I know all of us are in denial. Terrorists are also attacking a neighborhood in Abuja on a regular basis. They are attacking Kogi. The biggest terrorist camp in this area is based in Obajana. The second one is based in Suleja. There are terrorist camps very close to the law school.
Yes.
That's overlooking the law school. There's a mountain there. We do the research. So those of you who are still in denial that it's Kogi or Borno, it's a matter of time. Except we change the players. The game can never change. Nobody is safe in this country. Not only that, in Ondo State, bandits, which is another alias name for terrorists, were found very close to the airport, close to maybe taking down an aircraft. They were arrested yesterday by the combined team of security agents at Akure Airport. That place is also surrounded. So what do I tell you? Everywhere is already under siege. So you better do something about it before it gets too late.